Hey everyone, welcome back to Page Name, where we simplify healthcare, physics, and nursing. Today it's time for a lung sound pop quiz. Are you ready to test your clinical skills? I'm going to play a lung sound and your job is to identify it. Is it A, wheezing, B, crackles, C, stridor, D, normal breath sounds? Listen closely. Alright, what do you think? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't just stop there, tell me why you picked that answer. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the challenge, and hit subscribe to stay updated with more quizzes and insights. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.